Do you know how to work out this an amazing maths problem? So let's now work it out within the shortest time possible. 9 minus 3 divided by 3 into bracket 6 minus 2. So here now we shall now start with 9 minus 3. So the result is 6. So 6 divided by 3, then into bracket 6 minus 2. So we shall now move to 6 divided by 3. That is now 2 into bracket 6 minus 2. So let's now open the bracket. So we shall now have it as 2 multiplied by 6 minus 2. So here now 2 multiplied by 6, we shall have it as 12. Then 12 minus 2, the result is 10. So when we get the answer as 10, you might feel that this one is the correct answer, but this one is a wrong answer. So let's now use the shortest method of working out this maths problem. So the trick of working out this equation, which is 9 minus 3, then divide by 3 into bracket 6 minus 2, we shall going to use what is called the PEMDAS to work out this an amazing math equation. So PEMDAS P means that we shall now start with the bracket, that is now 6 minus 2. So all these shall remain the same, that is 9 minus 3, then we shall divide by 3 into bracket 6 minus 2, that is 4. We shall close the bracket. So we now open the bracket. We shall now have it as 9 minus 3, then divide by 3 multiplied by 4. So the next one now shall start with division, because after bracket we move to division sign. That is now 9 minus 3 divided by 3, that is 1 multiplied by 4. So from here now we shall now work out the multiplication sign first. So here now we shall have it as 9, then negative 1 multiplied by 4, that is negative 4. So here now 9 minus 4, our correct answer is 5.